It don't happen, I don't tell her. It don't happen, I don't motor don't jam her, I don't tell her. They don't catch teacher. This one happen for University of Abuja. My people, students, in fact, the students, they don't serious mood. This one not be waiting that they call vibes, positive vibes. This one, they be negative and positive together. They say they bring they write exam. So as they bring the script where these people they write now for 3 hours. 3 hours, oh. So the lecturer can't give them scripts. Ungwano exam can't start. Now so lecturer can't start a collect script again. 45 minutes inside 3 hours exam. My people, now so these students vex. All of them para. All of them. In fact, I don't even want to waste my time here. They talk plenty because I don't already in the mood. So join me, make we enter the mood together. You should know. I say you should know. You should know. You should know. Students don't get joy. Students of nowadays, they don't get joy. If you do anyhow, you see anyhow. No be. I beg you, my people. Make una don't just misunderstand me. See, I know they support violence, so no. As you see me like this, I stand for peace. You understand? I stand for peace, 100%. But this thing will just happen now. I need laugh because it ain't funny. I just see it is somehow when lecturers they feel say they be God. You understand? I know they support this fighting where they fight too, but we need call spade. Some lecturers too they behave like say now them. In fact, if you know school with them or they not teach you, you might be say you no go learn for this your life. I dey talk based on experience. I do experience this thing. The only difference we say these people now, this generation where we did now they get liver. Our time we know they born you where you don't even feel look your teacher for your eye. Not to talk say you they stand up, they slap her. You know fit. But this generation, Agberos full everywhere. Agberos don't wear clothes. My people, una no go believe say, some of these students when they watch, I no care whether na university. Some people even they secondary school, they train themselves. It is painful. They train themselves. They go work, then they go school. Imagine people who no get parents to train them. I don't know whether you not even they think am. Imagine you they work to pay your own school fees. You no get mama, you no get papa, or maybe you get but they no get money. So you they go write the exam. You pay for school fees. You pay for the exam fee. You pay for everything. Time to write now. Person go carry your paper. No, you go even remember how you work, pay for the school fees. You don't go slap person. No, nah. See, some of you are not gonna understand. People they go through things. People they go through things. So you know go can't use your lecturer title on the great people like say they no exist there, but they no be human being. No, it is painful. Exam of 3 hours. You can't collect paper 45 minutes. Waiting. They swear for you. You chop pepper. Which one? I remember that time for when I did university. He get one lecturer. Chineke me, that man. If they give me knife that time, before you go even finish, before you finish that statement, I don't already do one like 5 times. The man they annoying. He vex. Anytime I see this man, my face will just change. Even if I been they laugh, I go just frown face. See, some of them know they sensitive. They no get. You understand that human nice behavior? This thing, I beg. I don't know English. You understand? Some of them know they behave like that. So imagine this kind of situation. Now, why these people stand up, come beat them? Now, why they stand up, come beat them? Sorry, I'm not gonna laugh again. Make I just this serious now. My people, students now I want talk to now. When I not say this thing what I do, I don't talk her before. I no support her because now as we they speak now F9 straight when I go get Except if person go come intervene for una sake. You understand? My people, see, these students, they don't already examine this whole matter. If they say they no go fight, who go come fight for them? As this country don't be like this, where no law, nobody they even keep any law, nobody they even care about any law. Everybody don't they take law into their own hands. So they don't sit down and think this thing. Even if they report from now to tomorrow, they feel go report to principal. Principal will just say, I will look into the matter. 10 years to come, you no go look inside any matter. So what do you expect me they do? And if they possible say they don't talk to this teacher or they don't talk to that, the man no gree change. They don't get any other choice. So they need solution. Because people don't take Nigerians for granted. People see, even they look politician matter. Anything where they think about our government, not be just government. Even we ourselves, small authority where they go give person, you don't start to treat people where they under you like say they be shit, like say they no exist. You know they nice. You know they nice. And I hope say this thing, it go teach, not be just that man where they beat. Even you where they watch me, you know say this character they inside your body, you be lecturer or you dey in high position. It must not be school. You know say this in your body. I hope say this thing go teach us now to learn how to treat people the same way. Treat people the way when you go like me they treat you. You as the lecturer, if you dey write exam, they come up paper 45 minutes. How many answers you want me person answer 45 minutes? And I dey imagine that kind of question. And you know how those questions they be. They go give you question 1. That question 1 get like 5 children. A, B, C, D. Question 2, like that. And not be just yes, no. You go describe, you go summarize. You know how Nigeria exams they be. So we're not supposed to understand these children and not support violence, but please, make we judge this case right. The lecturer was not right, and that is where I stand. You understand? Very, very important. So any other thing against wetin I talk, where you want talk, drop am for that comment section. Make we tackle this matter together. And make sure say you share this video because many people need hear me. If you never subscribe, you go dey miss anything where we drop and now you're lost. You understand? So my people, stay tuned for the next stories. My people, make I first start with my own strategy. You understand? I don't sit down. This headsman matter because you don't dey too much. You understand? So I can't think of wetin dey bring the problem, how we fit solve am, where they come from. I don't dey think of many things. So I can't think about this matter, and I made my own research. You understand? I check everywhere because we need know how to tackle this headsman matter. Abi una never tire. Ngwanu. Now so I can't reach final conclusion. Una go dey very shocked because this thing where I bring for una now, all of una wey stand up, you better sit down now. You understand? My people, I can't jam one story now from Ghana, all the way from Ghana. Now so person come tell me say, Madam Aproko, if una see how they treat headsmen for Ghana, I can't say sure. That's why I invest inside this market. My people, una need see how they deal with all these headsmen for Ghana. Not be the one way they do for Nigeria. Nigeria even they feed headsmen. This one, they no get their time. And they know they even take nonsense from them. So right now, as they talk to una, all the headsmen where they Ghana, they do on serious fire. So for una, when you know what they happen, before I go come give una my own update. You understand? Join me, make we watch how Ghana they treat headsmen.
Are the Fulanis better than us? No, sir. Can they shoot better than us? No, sir. Can they do the military and police job more than us? No, sir. They say they are guerrilla tactics, they are guerrilla fighters, and they are going to ambush you and shoot you. Please, I beg you in the name of God, nobody should die in the bush as a police or soldier or whatever. We are going back with our number and come back with our number. And to be safe, if you see anybody holding arms, want to attempt you, please don't waste time.
Hey. Omo, una no dey see say Nigerians they use our head. Because I sit down, I ponder on top this matter. I say lie, I must reach to my final destination. That means Nigerians they use our head. All those politicians, they do una no watch This one no be say I can explain plenty English. Na visualization. Na bring us so that I go visualize am. Una no visualize. My people, something is fishy. Una dey see how Ghana dey deal with headsmen. Meanwhile, Nigeria even dey feed them. Nigerians dey pet them. They see for Nigerians to even come outside talk say headsmen suppose dey carry AK-47. No, make una balance this equation. Video wey una just abeg, okay, for una wey no even dey aware of the AK-47 matter, abeg put this video make these people see wetin I dey talk about.
And now, because a Fulani man is practicing the tradition of transhumance, pastoralism, he has been exposed to the vagaries of the forest, the animals, and now the cattle rustlers who carry guns, kill him and take away his commonwealth, that is the cows. He had no option but to carry AK-47 because the society and the government are not protecting him. What is his fault? It's the fault of the government and the people.
So now, based on what you just watch, compare these two videos, Ghana, Nigeria. Wetin be your conclusion? So now una go agree with me say these people they use our head. Heads may not be the problem when Nigeria gets. Mbanu. The problem concerning headsmen for Nigeria, they come from the politicians. Because before, they think say they no fit do anything about these headsmen. No be say they no fit do anything. They fit do, but they don't want do. It is very obvious. See, it is clear as water. No mix am. Because how you want explain, say headsmen supposed carry AK-47. How you want explain am? For una to see. Ghana. Oh, I will say we fit just switch. Just even if it's just for 1 hour. Una know the massive revival will go happen for Nigeria concerning headsmen. Make Ghana just, you see all these people wey deal with headsmen. Make Ghana just borrow us. Hey, I know they ask them for 24 hours. So just 1 hour. Hey, uncle, hey, we go give glory to God. We go dance. See how they kill all their cows. But for Nigeria, they don't take cows as God. Cows now, they be second God for Nigeria. If you even touch them, you go get serious problem. Not to talk say you dey kill cow. Hey, let me say that day you don't buy Nigeria problem put for your head. What a shame. What a shame. Una even see how Ghanaian headsmen they beg. Say I beg, oh, just give us 2 days, oh, just give us 3 days, oh. Say we go do something about that, we go come out, we go do. They beg. Hey, Naija. In fact, headsmen now, they don't even pass politician posts. Now headsmen now they dictate next movement for Buhari government. Chineke Jehovah. Oh Lord. See, you not go blame all these headsmen. We not blame una. You understand? Because the head of headsmen, they are the top now. Now why una just they feel say una feel misbehave, una feel do anyhow. And some people now go come outside, come open mouth, they tell me say, Buhari no take blood covenant with headsmen. He took blood covenant because I know they see waiting, they tight all of them like this together. Where they no even feel, Buhari no feel take one decision where no ask them first. Now go come they talk plenty nonsense. See, Buhari now, you don't give Nigeria to headsmen. Nigeria now, they for their hands like this. And you don't give them too much credit. The credit don't too much. They just misbehave. Because governor of Ondo State don't talk am. You don't give us go ahead. So I no one here win. Anywhere you see cow, kill them. Una see how Ghanaians they kill their own. No waste time. They don't give us go ahead. So because we know they tolerate again. We have tolerated enough. This is just Ghana. I'm not to say now, but when you go say, their lifestyle is different from our own. Because this is Africa, neighboring country, where you go just put one leg, you don't enter Ghana. Neighboring. If you even throw stone, you go reach Ghana. I know they talk of London. See how they behave. Na Nigeria want carry cow men, headsmen, Fulani men, all the men for their head. Now God go judge all of una wey una know wetin una dey do for secret. Now God go judge una. Me, I no go talk past this one wey I just talk. My people, wetin una think concerning this matter? Abeg, my fellow Ghanaians, I know say una dey watch me. Biko borrow us. You understand? I know they ask for 24 hours, so 1 hour pere, just borrow us. You understand? Then we go return on our men back. We need this operation killing cows. We need them for Nigeria. Be my people, waiting una think. Street drop that comment for that comment section so that we go battle this battle together. We go conclude that together. You understand? And share this video. Click on that notification bell. If not, you go dey miss everything we will get for you. Stay tuned for our next story.